Hi, I'm Jabba Time. And I have to say, do you have nothing to read at home?
Hey, I can't read it. Hey, I nothing to read.
We'll read this. Young boy. Just read it. National Geographic.
Ancient Iran.
Just take a look at it. Doesn't it look so good?
Peruvian.
I know. It's amazing.
What the heck? Just that.
You're not supposed to say it that. You're supposed to say it right.
Wait, did you say rocks?
I said it. Oh! That's how you do it. On Chapel Time. Now back to the bad book. Hey, I can't read it. Why can't I read it? Signing out. Chapel Time.